Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe, baked custard Guyanese style. So guys, to accomplish this delicious recipe, here are the ingredients will be needed. Do keep in mind I will go ahead and leave a full list of ingredients below in the description box so you can always check it out. So if this is your first time, please subscribe. So guys, before we get started, definitely want to go ahead and shout out my current subscribers and also my new subscribers who always watch my video every time I upload. Thank you. So first thing guys, you want to go with 8 eggs and thoroughly whisk together. So guys, after fully whisked, you want to go ahead and give it a good strain. Next guys, for additive taste and flavor, I'm going to add cinnamon powder, orange zest, ground nutmeg, and also almond essence. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of whole milk and also 1 can of condensed milk. Next, add in 1 can of evaporated milk. So guys, before we go ahead and add our mixed ingredients to your cookware, you want to go ahead and apply some butter. This will prevent your custard from sticking. So here we are guys, after 1 hour of baking. Delicious baked custard Guyanese style. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this delicious baked custard recipe, and also hope you give this recipe a try. As always, thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time.